Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever struggled with getting crisp, print-ready images out of Canva, today's tutorial is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create images at 300 DPI using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll have a reliable method for exporting your designs in the high resolution you need for high-quality prints, posters, or business cards. No more blurry or pixelated images when you go to print. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't already signed up for a free account, it only takes a minute and you'll have access to all the tools you need. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look for the Create a Design button at the top right. Give that a click. This is where you'll start from scratch and set up the proper dimensions for your new project. Now, a really important step, before you start designing, go to the Custom Size option. Here, where you'll set the exact width and height for your canvas in pixels. Type in 100 for both width and height, so that's 100 by 100 pixels. Now you might be wondering why those numbers, or maybe thinking, wait, won't that be small? Good question. The secret is in how Canva handles exports. When you download as a PDF print later, Canva will automatically render your design at a resolution of 300 dots per inch, perfect for professional printing regardless of these dimensions. So setting this size at the beginning ensures consistency and avoids any quality loss. Go ahead and create your new design with that size. Once your blank canvas pops up, you're ready to add your image. Just click Uploads on the left sidebar to bring in a photo from your device, or use Canva's own elements and images to build your design. Drag and resize your image to fill the canvas if you want, or position it however you prefer. Remember, anything you add here will be included in your final high-resolution export. If you want to get creative, maybe add some text or extra shapes. The process works the same no matter what's on your canvas. Take your time here, make sure everything looks good, and don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right. When you're happy with your design, it's time to download. But here, the key part. Instead of clicking the standard download option, look for Share in the top right corner of the screen. Click that, then select Download. In the File Type dropdown, choose PDF Print. This is crucial. Anything you download as a PDF print from Canva will automatically be exported at 300 DPI. That's the industry standard for print quality, so your images will come out crisp and clear, whether you're printing business cards, flyers, or posters. Go ahead, hit that download button and save your PDF file. You can now take this file to any print shop, upload it for online printing, or even open it in other software if you need additional tweaks. And that's really all there is to it. It's a quick, reliable way to get 300 DPI images from Canva every single time without any complicated settings or outside software. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Canva or printing. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this, and I'll see you in the next video.